Hello children, welcome back to the Wise Grandpa YouTube channel. Today's lesson will be on shapes, the wonders of learning shapes. Look at this book, it's amazing. Now who's excited to go over all these shapes? Me, yay, let's do this. First one we have triangle, pyramids, triangle compass, triangle pizza slice, triangle cheesecake, triangle traffic sign, triangle house of cards. The next shape is oval, oval balloons, oval mirror, oval clock, oval sunglass, oval football, oval badminton. Turn the page. Next shape is circle. Circle, we have sun. Circle, cookies. Circle, candy bar. Circle, soccer ball. Circle, cake. Circle, pizza. Next shape is square. Square television. Square Jack in the Box. Square window. Square cube. Square blocks. Square photo frame. Next shape is rectangle. Rectangle American flag. Rectangle chalkboard. Rectangle book. Rectangle camera. Rectangle door. Rectangle envelopes. Next shape is diamond. Diamond stone. Diamond kite. Diamond drums. Diamond ring. Diamond card. Diamond rug. Next shape is cone. Birthday hats. Cone ice cream. Cone traffic cone. Lampshade. Cone chair. Cone Christmas tree. Next shape is heart. Heart cookies. Heart chocolate. Heart keychain. Heart charm. Heart guitar. Heart box. Next shape is octagon. Octagon gem. Octagon bracelet. Octagon box. Octagon lantern. Octagon stop sign. Octagon tray. Next shape is star. Star flower. Star sheriff badge. Star earrings. Star magic wand. Star bucket. Star fish. The end. I'll see you guys next time.